For the Agile Allies, we decided to create an app called FoodieMatch. And our product goal for this app is to help people find their foodie match by connecting individuals through their food preferences and creating opportunities to share meals and culinary experiences together. It's a very simple idea, and we took the idea from dating apps of swiping to match with people that you can have the shared culinary experiences with. And we also have a little bit of a Google Maps foodie guide idea here with the foodie maps and with the local foodie events that the user can explore. We also wanted it to have a personalized curated feed for them since there are so many different restaurants and different events going on, and we wanted it to be very specific to the user. And so moving on, we have sprint number 2. We created our medium fidelity wireframes, and here we just added some more details of what these frames will look like. We also added the option of the foodie chat and safety. So the foodie chat is where the matches appear. So when people swipe on each other and they match, then they're able to message here. And it's also important with these apps because there's a lot of crazy things out there. We have a foodie safety option here for people to be able to contact crisis hotlines, a non-emergency use and emergency use. And moving on to the next frame here, the concept for this app is a very simple yet creative solution to helping people connect with others in a more natural way. We wanted to focus on simplicity, from everything with the colors, the typography, to the concept of the app. There's so many different directions we could have gone, so many different ideas we had. And we had a lot of things left in our backlog of fun ideas and concepts, but we really wanted to focus on maximizing the amount of work that we were not able to complete, as the Agile principles say. And so we focused on the simple concepts, the necessary ones to create a framework that would be user friendly and help to meet the product goal of helping people connect to have these shared experiences. And here we have our high fidelity wireframes. We have a breakdown of what each frame does, the purpose of it, and how to navigate. As you can see here, we have a uniform style. We chose a red and white style and the same typography throughout it. We also ended up adding some recipes and more. I believe there's a community wireframe to help people find um, more options of sort of like a Reddit sort of feature to share these local places with each other and more shared connection. I'd say with the issue that we had, because this idea could have gone in so many different directions, um, we started in the middle with our ideas. We had kind of just basic, they are essential pieces, but we didn't start from the beginning of an app, which would have been creating like the login page. And so the impact of this is that we missed important wireframes that are essential for the initial framework. And like I said, that includes a login screen. And so there were missing steps in the user experience we found. So I'd say a solution to this would have been, and for next time that this Scrum group occurs, a solution would be researching apps to find a general idea of essential pieces, um, and create the wireframes based on what you find, such as login screens, and create wireframes that meet like the purpose as well, which would be like the matching and connection wireframes. So wireframes that touch and complete the basic framework, and then later on adding in new features that build off of these essential pieces. Um, I'd say that this project, we did keep it simple despite it being possible to make it more complex. We kept it simple, which really, I think, helped it to turn out well. I'd say that we could definitely work on motivating individuals and getting to know one another and building that trust so that we can then know who we can help with certain things and who can help with helping this app to become the best it can be. And so this project was fun. It was a good experience, and I learned a lot.